Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write Apex code in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are in the development environment of your Salesforce. And after that, you need just to go to quick find and then just search for Apex. And from here, we will find many type for custom code. So either you can start creating your Apex classes, this execution, or triggers. You can choose from them. Otherwise, you can simply click on Apex class, and from here you can go to the developer console. By going here, you can start creating whatever you like, or you can find all you want. So basically, if we want to create an Apex class, for example, we can just go to Apex class, and from here you can start developing your own class. And the same would be, or the same would apply for triggers. If we go to the triggers, we can find the developer console, or you can go to the object manager, and from here we can search triggers, and then you can go to new and start uh, creating Apex triggers. So from here you will be able to to create and write an Apex code, and when you finish writing or developing anything uh, concerning the code, you will need just to save, and basically you will have your code that will be saved and it will be functional and you can test it uh, by the end. So basically this is how you can write an Apex code in Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.